Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create inventory in TallyPrime step by step. If you want to add new stock items and manage your inventory in TallyPrime, this video will guide you through the complete process. So let's get started. First, open TallyPrime on your computer. Now open the company in which you want to create the inventory. Once you're on the gateway of Tally, click on Create. On the next screen, under the Inventory Masters section, click on Stock Item and press Enter. Now enter the name of the item you want to create. For this example, I'm entering iPhone 14 Pro. If you also want to add a description for the item, go to the bottom right corner and click on Configure. On the next screen, under the General Details section, change Provide Description for Stock Item to Yes and press Enter. Now you'll see a description field. Here, you can enter the description of your stock item. Next, under, click on Primary. Then select Create. Now enter the company or brand name of the item. For example, I'll enter Apple. After that, click OK. Next, click on Unit and then select Create. On the next screen, leave the type as Simple. In the Symbol field, enter Nose. In the Formal Name field, enter Number. In the Unit Quantity Code field, enter Nose. For number of decimal places, enter 0. Then click OK. Now leave Statutory as applicable. Under GST rate, enter the GST percentage. For this example, I'm entering 18%. In the Type of Supply field, select Goods. Leave the Rate of Duty field blank. Now press Enter and accept the stock item. And that's it. This is how you can create inventory in TallyPrime step by step. Once your inventory item is created, you can use it in purchase vouchers, sales vouchers, stock management, and inventory reports, making it much easier to manage your business records. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.